$80 a month, let me show you exactly what that gets you. This is the Voice Gym, over 150 exercises, all with sing-along tracks so you can use them immediately. And every Monday, I curate a specific workout from this library and deliver it straight to your inbox with a full video breakdown from me, explaining exactly what we're doing, how we're doing it, and why. Erase Your Break is my signature course and trademarked method, designed to help you have your most connected, consistent pro voice. This is the course singers come to me specifically for, and it's fully included in your membership. We also have understanding and coping with performance anxiety, because technique is only part of the picture. Your mindset matters just as much, and this course covers it completely. This is the Vocal Vault, and this is where it gets really wild. Every live coaching call is recorded and stored right here. We're talking 80 plus hours of real coaching sessions covering virtually every vocal challenge you can think of. You could spend weeks here alone. Then every month we bring in an outside expert for a workshop, physical therapists talking about tension release, music business pros, mindset coaches, music theory fundamentals, website building, all archived right here and also included in your membership. And we have 2 live coaching calls with me every single month, both recorded so you never miss one, even if life gets in the way. Our community is right here, my favorite part of this membership. Promote your work, celebrate your wins, connect with other contemporary singers who are on the same journey all over the world. All of this for $80 a month, less than the cost of half of one single lesson with me. And as a member, you also get discounted one-on-one coaching and you get priority scheduling. There's a 7-day money-back guarantee, so there's genuinely nothing to lose. The link is below. I cannot wait to see you inside.